Visual resources really is the focal point when it comes to projects. We are what people see. The drive for renewable energy is really pushing a lot of the demand for visual resources. Between solar, wind, and other resource opportunities, those projects have to go somewhere. So the challenges that we can help with clients are how people perceive projects in the landscape. As more and more projects are introduced into the landscape, there's a greater sensitivity of where those projects are located. And we can work with clients and proponents to help navigate that visually so they can understand what the potential impacts of their project may have on the surrounding communities that have sensitivities to those visual changes. We can provide a service to our clients that allows them to either help convey what their projects are going to look like to constituents or to the public early on, or help with the analysis process. So typically you want to have an understanding of what the existing visual environment looks like, what that is your baseline condition. And then we take steps to analyze and look at how that project may be visible within a given area. And then we take steps to evaluate, we go to the field and photo document what we consider key observation points, or those points in an area that may have views of the project that are important to viewers. And then we go through a full analysis process and documentation from those points. We can build simulations, do dynamic simulations to really convey what that project is going to look like as much as possible. The value and benefits that I think the visual resources team provides to our clients is bench strength. We have a number of staff on the team that really allows us for some flexibility, some dynamic adaptability for client needs. We're providing services coast to coast. We have the resources and the capabilities to provide everything that a client would need when it comes to visual resources. Our data acquisition team can provide the most recent aerial imagery. Our GIS team is pushing the limits when it comes to what we can do with visibility analysis to understand how a project is visible in the landscape. We tie that with our simulation team, and you bring those three components together, and we're really, like I said, starting to push our capabilities and understand how we can provide different services across the company, intermixed with all the other different services that SWCA provides from a natural resource perspective.